say, that's not my plane?
That's not my plane.
Its wings are too bumpy. Can you say it?
Wings are too bumpy.
Say, that's not my plane.
That's not my plane.
Its engines are too lumpy.
The engine's too lumpy.
Say,
We're getting airplanes comparison then.
yeah.
Yes,
Say,
Grandma read my airplane.
yeah, Grandpa did read you your airplane. Say, that's not my plane. Can you say, that's not my plane?
That's not my plane.
The wheels are too squishy.
The wheels are too squishy. It's a red airplane.
It is a red airplane.
Wow, it flies.
Say, that's not my plane.
That's not my plane.
The tail is too glossy.
The tail's too glossy.
Where's the tail?
Yeah, there's the tail.
Good job. Where's the mouse?
And where's he's getting the dice airplane.
Daddy's airplane? Okay.
Yes, dice airplane.
Say, that's not my plane.
He's getting the dice airplane.
Is he flying the airplane?
Yeah, dice flies the airplane.
Okay. Say, that's not my plane.
That's not my plane.
The propeller is too rough.
Those two. Oh,
Say, that is my plane.
this is my plane.
Its windows are so shiny.
Windows are too shiny.
The end.
Oh no, yeah, again.
Okay.